Hindi raw pwedeng madaliin ng anumang tangkang kudeta sa Senado. Yan ang pananaw ni Senate President Tito Soto na nasa bingit kamakailan ng pagbaba sa pwesto.
Nananatiling solid ang Senado ayon kay Senate President Tito Soto at tila kuryente umano ang umugong na balitang nais siyang palitan ni Senator Lauren Legarda. Hindi rin daw imposibleng mind game ang umano'y Senate coup para makumbinsi ang ibang senador na pumirma. Kumpiyansa si Soto na hindi aabot sa 17 senators ang susuporta sa pagbaba niya sa pwesto dahil hindi raw nadadaan sa basta-bastang usapan ang palitan ng liderato sa Senado. Kailangan daw in black and white ang quorum.
So if there were 17, there would have been 17 signatures. It's as simple as that. So therefore, there were no 17 signatures. In fact, there were no 13 signatures. And I would venture to guess that there were no 12 signatures because one of them, a member of the minority, told me that he was willing to sign if there were already 12. And he said there was not. So he did sign.
Hindi rin naman daw interesado si Senator Legarda sa kabila ng paglapit ng ilang miyembro ng minority bloc. Si SP Soto naman, handa raw sakaling mapagdesisyonan ng Senado na oras na para magpalit ng Senate President.
I only serve at the pleasure of my colleagues. They can replace me anytime. I have no problem with that. As a matter of fact, when there were talks about it last Sunday night, and even that Monday morning, Tuesday evening, the following day now, they might have the numbers, all that. I slept soundly. I have no problem with that. I can work as a senator.
Ilan sa mga nakikitang dahilan ni SP kung bakit maaaring may gustong magpalit liderato ay ang hating opinyon ng Senado sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea, ang usapin sa Blue Ribbon Committee Draft Report na nais kasuhan ng ilang senador at ang pagtanggal kay Senador Amy Marcos bilang chairman ng Foreign Relations Committee.
But the other thing that we sensed was that Senator Amy Marcos, when we replaced her as chairman of the Committee on Foreign Relations and gave it to a member of the majority, that contributed probably to the members of the minority being thinking of changing not only the Senate President but also members of or chairmanships of the different committees.
Pero pagdating sa usapin ng impeachment, kahit sino raw ang umupong SP, hindi maaapektuhan ang takbo ng impeachment trials, lalo na ngayong may panibagong complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.